How would you explore a destination if you only had 24 hours? Come along with me on today's Whirlwind trip.
After the vibrant nightlife, this is the highlight of the day. Let's begin it with surfing!
Pingtung in Pingtung is one of Taiwan's most famous surfing spots. The Nanwan recreational area is super convenient. Surfers always stay around here so they can just walk to the beach. With plenty of bars and restaurants nearby, staying in the area for an entire week is no problem at all. It's also great for those who don't have transportation. Even if you're not into surfing, there's still the beach, the sunshine to enjoy.
Hey, Leo!
Hey, Kevin.
You might have to give me some beginner lessons. It's been a while since I last surfed, so...
No problem. We've got really good waves for beginners today.
All right, hopefully it's not too crazy out today. I think I'm about ready. I strongly recommend all the beginners to take the lessons before you dive in. It's so much fun. The momentum with the shore and catching the wave, it was just difficult. But I think I was getting the hang of it. All right, it's time to move on. It's about closing time. Everybody's leaving, but we are not going anywhere. We'll be staying at the Marine Center overnight. But first, let's take a night tour.
While I may not have the luxury of having a shark tank in my home, like a billionaire, but here in Shenzhen Pingtung, you can experience an even more luxury stay at the Marine Center. Immerse yourself in the nocturnal world of the ocean and unravel the backstage mysteries of the Marine Center.
Wow, it's so relaxing. I want to swim just like that. Keep swimming, keep swimming. You can see this is like the circle of life. You can see fries, like middle fish, big fish, sharks, stingrays, they're chasing around.
Many visitors will surprise this big tunnel, and they have a few questions about, is this tunnel tank really connected with the sea? The tank was built in a house, and there are more than 4,000 fishes living inside. You can see this is a adaptation pool.
Adaptation pool?
Yes. We designed this adaptation pool for when the new coming fish, we will put them inside to quarantine here.
Oh, so this is like a quarantine place?
Yes. And if some fish get hurt or get sick, we also will separate them into this adaptation pool.
So some of them are the new coming members, and some of them were the ones that were sick or hurt?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then we have prepared some cereal here, so you can try to feed them.
Wow, they're so cute. The cow-nosed ray, they were actually bottom feeders, but they actually come up to the surface to eat. And this is their favorite food, krill. Okay, it smells really fishy. There you go. All yours, all yours.
Hey, Kevin, have you ever seen this before?
No, what's this? Is it oyster?
Of course not. It's a shark's egg.
Really?
Yes, the egg capsule of shark.
Before it hatches?
Yes.
Wow.
So you see the baby shark inside and it's still moving. Shark's egg breeding will take about 12 weeks.
So how many weeks in is this?
This is about 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks.
Yes.
The guided tour experience was really interesting. However, since we're staying in the home of marine animals, we need to adapt to their habits. Inside the center, the environment simulates actual ocean conditions. When it's time, the lights will be turned off. It's the end of the day and time to sleep.
That was a satisfying 24 hours. We really went from the surface to the bottom.
I'm still stoked from the challenge of surfing. I might have found some inner peace and strength to do this adventure. The sights of distant mountains, the vast ocean, and delicious food have been truly healed.
Hope you enjoy the adventure with me and stay tuned for more whirlwind trips in Taiwan. Good night.